napakadaming nagkaroon ng awareness about Sins of the Father.
Mas lalo na tong last month and a half
Na
namin.
mapapanood.
Oo. This will really speak to the victims of scamming. So hindi lang siya drama, hindi lang siya love story, pero meron din siyang purpose. Kaya natutuwa ako dahil nabibigyan ako ng ganitong projects, and then ngayon naman ito, my best friend Emma.
And you'll be the wife pala of Mateo.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. So, kanina nung iniisip ko, nung pinapakita yung cast, nung pinadala sa amin yung story ko, JM, Shaina. Oh, it's new. Pero hindi, if you look at your background, it's really Lira. Di ba yung mga, kumbaga, from nung bata ka pa talaga. I mean, it just makes total sense to give your fans something like this on a daily basis. Hindi lang basta Holy Week. Di ba, usually parang Holy Week lang natin makikita.
Actually, suki yung mga pelikula at saka mga pinagagawa ko nung bata ako. Pagka Holy Week and Pasko. So, ngayong tumanda na tayo sa industry, at least meron namang bago na maipapakita. And siguro mas kailangan, mas makakausap natin yung bagong generation kasi syempre ibang storytelling natin when I was younger.
Oo.
Although syempre pagdating sa usapang faith, sa Diyos, pamilya, those are timeless diba, topics. Yeah.
But you know what? You've been, kumbaga, in the industry for, I don't know, man, like 30. Ilang years na ba?
Almost 30 na.
My God. Pero, kumbaga, you've weathered it all. And right now, the landscape's so different. I mean, and parang, yun yung sinabi mo na kanina, parang ang perfect na we show kindness, scenes like this. How did you stay mentally strong throughout it all? And alam ko, ang daming child star, hindi ganyan ka-grounded lumaki.
Well, I will never take credit for it. I always say na dahil sa Diyos, kaya nandito pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. He's the only one that sustained me. And syempre, hindi ko naman magagawa to and hindi mangyayari to if it weren't for the people around me. Na hanggang ngayon, nandyan pa rin sa paligid ko. Naniniwala na kaya natin to portray these very important roles. There of course were times na parang akala ko tapos na ako sa showbiz. But oo naman, maraming beses. Pero the more I turn my back on show business, mas lalo akong hinahabol ng mga proyekto. So sabi ko, okay, so I guess I'm meant to be here and meant to stay here.
No, because I do remember that nung parang sa Sins of the Father story conference, you were saying mag-states ka.
Yes.
Oo.
Yes.
Is that still in the card? Like, naka-lay down pa rin ba siya?
Oo, pabalik-balik na nga lang. Yes.
Parang sabi siya,
Oo, pabalik-balik.
Yes.
So, kakauwi ko lang din from ganun. I mean, ano naman yan ang prayer ko is, if it's meant for me, then please do something about it, like in the most seamless way possible. And everything is falling into place. So, talagang maski ako namamangha ako sa timing ng lahat and sa mga nangyayari because everything is really falling into place. And oo naman. Oo. And yeah, yun, I think ngayon na mas tumanda na tayo sa industriya at sa buhay, we realize the fact na hindi tayo nandito just for our own selves. So sana lahat ng cast na nandito naniniwala na lahat tayo nilagay dito to serve Him and to serve our mga manonood. So yun, it is of course a privilege to be able to do something like this. And kanina bago ako magpunta dito, sabi ko, thank you Lord for the opportunity to serve you through my job. So yeah,
this is the format of the job.
Yes. Kaya nga it was when they pitched it to me, it was a yes right away. It's something, it's a project na hindi mo na pag-iisipan pa. Naniniwala ako na lahat kami dito are here for His own purpose. So, sana gamitin ni Lord tong show na to para marami pang tao makadiscover kay Eman. Diba?
That's nice. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Salamat. Yes, sige.